Alright, here we go. This is my 2012 Dodge Dakota. I purchased it at $1,300. It needs a lot of work. I'm talking a lot of work. I did a little key upgrade here because the what do you want to call it? I think the key cylinder was very hard to turn. Sometimes it would get stuck. I got tired of dealing with that, so I replaced it. So I guess next on the agenda will be to Next on the agenda would be to get these door locks changed out. Alright, as you can see, it is very dirty up in here. Extremely dirty. Smell of cigarettes for sure. Let me sit in here and see if I can focus a little bit. It's a very rough ride. I have the battery out of it, so I'm not gonna start it up this video. But here's the part I had to put some, was it epoxy? One of the, what do you call these things? The things that you screw in, the little plastic piece that came off of it. So that looks like it's dry. That is the battery case, which I will be replacing too. The biggest thing is this thing has something that's draining the battery, and I believe the guy told me it's been a while, but they took out the head liner lights here, as you can see, and that didn't fix the problem. A jar light still comes on. I'm hoping that's all that's wrong with it. However, check this out. I don't know what's going on there. Those don't look factory. It could be, maybe. I don't know. There's some wires hanging out. Nice little project car. Let's open the hood. Okay. Wait. Sorry for the noise. I'm carrying what is this called? A Zoom mic, and I have no clue what I'm doing with that either, but we're getting sound. Well, I thought we were getting sound. I hope my camera picked up all that. So I didn't have to record press. All right, here's the engine bay, and here is one of the first many projects I'm going to do. These are very short. This broke off. This one fits, but I still don't like how the battery fits, because the battery is a lot stronger than the original one that came in here, and it doesn't really fit. It's not tall enough. Super dusty. This is kind of common though. I live in a dusty area. But I had it here for, let's see, going on maybe 6 months. Finally cleaning out the area. I'm gonna work on this. It has a bed cover, but it's not attached to anything. Let's open this up. Ooh, it's heavy. Spare tire. Okay. But I have to clean up this area. Something else I'm working on is this house. Got it real cheap. Saw some stuff, but new roof at least. A nice shady area to cover myself. I worked on brakes out here in 100-degree temperature. I'm not trying to do that again. But yeah, here it is. Pretty excited. Hoping to come up with some good ideas and just have a nice running truck.